Watch Words World News, and you will see a variety of cultures and communities. Explore where people live, work, and play around the world every day. Discover places near and far like Australia, Spain, and Qatar. Learn unique points of view at Ward's World News.
In the middle of this United States of America, you'll find a compass rose. A compass rose kind of tells you what direction a place is in. You'll see an N up at the top. An N stands for north. W is to the left, and that's the western part of the United States. Then you'll see the S. S stands for south. When you go down south, it gets a little warmer. And over on the right is E. E stands for east. And that's the region that, if you live in Pennsylvania, you live in the eastern part of the United States of America. Hi kids, it's me, Kiwi. This week we're going to explore the United States regions. We're going to look at 5 regions. The first region we're going to look at in orange is the western region. There you'll find places like California and Montana and Utah. Then we're going to go over to the purple area, and that's called the Midwest region. There you'll find places like North Dakota and Wisconsin and Illinois. And after that, we're going to explore the Northeast region. In the Northeast region is Pennsylvania. That's where you live, but many other people live in many other states. There's also New York and Maine and many other really exciting places to visit. Down south, we'll explore the southeastern region. There you'll find Florida, North Carolina, and Louisiana. Last, we're going to explore, in that yellow area down there, the southwestern region. That has the big state of Texas and other places like Arizona and New Mexico. Let's get ready to explore! Our first stop takes us to the western region of the United States. The western states are very exciting. They have high mountains with snow-capped peaks and hot, dry, arid areas. They also have lovely coastal beaches that are both chilly waters coming near Alaska to warm tropical waters down in Hawaii. The states that are in the western states are Washington and Montana, Oregon, Idaho, Wyoming, California, Nevada, Utah, Colorado, Alaska, and Hawaii. These states have many things to offer, like amazing rock formations, some of the tallest trees in the whole world called the redwoods, and they produce interesting things like pineapples, apples, and there's wonderful fishing. Our next region is the Midwest region. The Midwest region can get very, very cold. There's a lot of wheat and corn produced in the Midwest region, and there's lots of open spaces and plains to wander through and enjoy. There's big cities too, and there's a place in St. Louis called the Arch. And at the Arch was the entryway to the moving out west. There's also a wonderful place in South Dakota called Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore has faces in rocks of 4 of our United States presidents. Northeast region is next, and that's where Pennsylvania is and the exciting New York. The Northeast states are famous for things like lobster and cranberry bogs and textiles. Textiles means they make a lot of clothes. There are many places to visit in the Northeast states, like you could go to Hershey, Pennsylvania and learn all about chocolate. New York City for an exciting time, And you could visit your state capital, Washington, D.C. Maybe go to the White House and visit the president. Next is the Southeast region. That's way down south. It starts to get really warm there. In the Southeast states, there are many unique places to visit. You can go into mountains, and you can also go to the beach. There's a place in Florida called the Everglades. That's where you'd find the alligators. Very scary. You can also go to a place in Florida called Cape Canaveral, and you can watch a space shuttle launch into outer space. Isn't that cool? There's a lot of places to visit. You could even go to Kentucky, where there's lots of horse farms, and you can see the Kentucky Derby, which is where they race horses. Lots of special foods come from the Southeast states too, like oranges, peaches, pecans, and peanuts. Yum! Our last stop is the Southwestern region, way down south in the United States. In the Southwest states, it gets pretty hot. There's a lot of heat. That's why you probably find a lot of cactus growing there. Well, you can see the Grand Canyon, which is amazing rock formations. It's amazing what Earth can do. And you might find a lot of oil wells too, because there's a lot of oil down south. You can buy really pretty pottery because that's where they make gorgeous pottery. And there's a lot of cattle farms as well. Now it's your turn. After this video, you get to label the regions in the United States. You're going to cut out the little arrows and put them pointing to the right region. Here's an extra challenge. Can you find Pennsylvania? Maybe you might find where in the United States you live. This is a globe of our world, and there are so many beautiful places to visit in our world. If you look, up in the northern hemisphere is our country, the United States of America. We explored a lot of regions in our country. Which one do you think you might like to visit someday?